Please appreciate Maliland. Appreciate Maliland. Maliland, ladies and gentlemen. Maliland, ladies and gentlemen. Maliland.
So Maliland Realtors Limited is a locally incorporated company in the field of property valuation, project management, property advisory investment, and investment analysis. It was founded 7 years ago and is dedicated to offering the highest standard of real estate consultancy in Kenya and abroad. Its corporate social responsibility include provision of education opportunities to millions of needy children in Africa, poverty alleviation, promotion of health and environmental protection. That is Maliland Realtors Limited.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. My name is Peter Maina. I'm a Maina wa Maliland. Maliland. Mali. Wealth. Land. Shamba. Hapo. Good. We are very grateful to be here. And more so to be recognized by the management of Boy Awards. We have been in this industry slightly over 5 years, but we can say it's not a bad industry. We have been able to deliver, and especially to our diaspora clients. Haitakuwa rahisi to penetrate to diaspora. Haitakuwa rahisi because we have previously had a lot of issues with the diaspora people, mistrust. They don't believe about the land selling companies, but God is good that today we are able to penetrate that market. And it is because of the grace of God that today we have given this award, because we have been able to deliver to our diaspora market and to our local clients. God bless you so much and have a nice time.
Asante sana. Let's appreciate Maliland.